Would you believe me if I told you you could apply ceramic protection while drying your car after you're done washing it? Don't believe me? Stay tuned, find out how.
Stop that. Stop that. Stop that. Stop that.
Introducing our all-new HydroDry ceramic drying aid. Now this is going to allow you to apply a nice layer of ceramic protection after you're done washing your vehicle before you begin to dry it, making the drying experience a lot quicker, efficient, and this is going to help you achieve that nice drying finish where you don't have to worry about water spots. So now you may ask yourself, is this product for me? Do I have protection on my vehicle? Well, if your paint is not looking like this, where there's constant water beading and you see the effect, then yes, your car probably needs some protection and you're probably struggling to dry it as well. So to understand this, you probably have to see some water dragging. So I'm gonna cue in some examples of water dragging right now. So now that you've seen these examples of water dragging, let's change that with our all-new HydroDry ceramic drying aid. And it's real simple to use. Actually, there's multiple ways of using this. I'm gonna show you both right now. First, the way I like to use it, and I feel like it's super easy, super convenient, is simply, once you're done washing your car, once you've prepped the surface, all you gotta do is just get your bottle, make sure it's on mist mode, and mist the surface. So what I mean by this, simply do sweep-like motions along the surface. Primarily, I do recommend to avoid doing this when the sun is hitting your car directly. Do it when the sun is not at its peak, so in the evening or early in the morning would be the best time to do this because they're gonna give you the best results. So I technically do one panel at a time. Be generous with this stuff, you guys, because you wanna make sure you're applying a good amount of protection on your vehicle and you wanna make it easier on the drying. So, be generous. The more generous you are, the more protection you're gonna get. Now you get your water source and just simply rinse the surface. Whether you have a water hose, a pressure washer like the one I'm using right now, simply just get your water and rinse. So now what HydroDry does, it breaks tension in the water, allowing you to dry this up, pick it up with your favorite microfiber drying towel with ease. So what I mean by this is that if I were to spray this, there's certain areas in the car that are already dry. You see me spraying this, I have a dry latex glove, so anything that's wet, you're gonna see it. But if I touch certain areas in the car, like this, I'm placing my palm here, look at that. Only this got wet. My fingertips, dry to the touch, and that's what you want. That means my car's protected. Everything is repelling off of the surface. So not only water is repelling, but things like pollen, dirt, grime, any kind of contaminant is also repelling because of the ceramic properties in this drying aid. I don't know if you're also like me, you like spending the extra time on your car, you like going the extra mile. I recommend you doing this one panel at a time, simply misting on the HydroDry as well. Coming around with your favorite drying towel. In this case, I'm using our Megalodon drying towel because this thing dries like butter. I'm talking about my favorite drying towel, picks up anything, and I literally use one of these towels for the whole truck. But as soon as I'm done spraying, you quickly come with your towel, one panel at a time, and just dry. But then you might tell yourself, you're wiping away all the ceramic. It's not on the surface anymore. Well, once you're done drying, to prove that the ceramic's still there, all you gotta do is just grab your water source once again and simply wet the surface. And just like that, look at those water beads. That's what you want. That's what you wanna see, especially when it's raining. Trust me, you know your car's protected when you see that. Nice. So now let me go around the whole truck, mist this on, apply this protection, apply this drying aid to the surface. That way, I don't have to stress on drying the whole car because it's a pretty big truck. now, I know I'm showing you both ways on how to apply our brand new ceramic drying aid, but the reason why I like to spray this on, rinse it off, is because now I'm putting less stress on my drying towel, meaning it could dry a lot more because I'm releasing all this water off of the surface, leaving me, honestly, nothing to dry but like a little bit of water pellets. So I'm making it a lot easier on my towel, meaning technically less passes I do with my towel. So keep that in mind, you guys. See, now compared to the surface how it looks now, there's less water. As you can see, use this space for example, there's no water on the surface other than a little bit of water pellets, which is ideally what you want. This is what's gonna cause you to dry your car a lot faster, and it's a lot easier too. And honestly, right in time because it's starting to rain. So the good thing about this is that I'm giving my car ceramic properties. So now when the elements are hitting it, such as pollen, as you can see, rain, UV lights, I know my car is gonna stay protected because of those ceramic properties. So I'm killing two birds with one stone, adding protection, drying my car quickly. Doesn't get any better than that. Because the next time I come to wash my car or I come to touch it up, the maintenance is a lot quicker and faster. It only goes up from here, you know what I'm saying? So as you can see, there's not a lot of water beads on there. That's the water drag that I was talking about earlier, but I'm gonna change that with a couple of sprays of our brand new ceramic drying aid. Point it to the surface, mist it on there, and just look at the water already breaking up. Releasing some tension in there. Now, I could automatically go into drying this. I'll do half. So now I'll come around with my drying towel. I'm only gonna dry half so I can show you guys that there's no really no difference on how to use this, but drying only half. I'm gonna leave the remaining half there, rinse that off, and then dry it. Look. Oh, my water hose. You see the difference? No water drag no more, nothing but water pellets. That's what you wanna see. And that was instant, you guys. That was literally no more than 5 seconds to apply that nice ceramic coating. No more than 5 seconds, honestly. But now, when I come around with my already wet drying towel, you're gonna still see me be able to dry this with ease, leaving no streaks behind, because that's what ceramic allows you to do. Can't stress that word enough. Ceramic, baby, look at that, bam. But yeah, let me finish drying this whole car. Let me finish spraying this down, applying a nice ceramic layer, and I'll check in with you guys after. See, now when using this on your tires, you guys, maintaining these for that upcoming brake dust you might get it until your next wash, trust me, that's what you want, because now cleaning your wheels, it's gonna be a breeze. Brake dust is not gonna get pitted on it. Trust me, it's a win-win situation if you ask me. And also put this in perspective, you guys, I'm applying a ceramic layer of protection while I'm technically doing something that I have to already be doing, which is drying my car. So the fact that you're kind of killing two birds with one stone is pretty cool if you ask me. So if you feel like you're someone that doesn't want to dry the car, get yourself an applicator, the ceramic, apply it, wait for it to cure, then buff it off. If you want to just right then and there, this is what you got to get to achieve that, man. And just like that, we got the car dry while adding a layer of protection to it as well, thanks to our all-new HydroDry ceramic drying aid. Now, if you like any of these products, I'm talking about any of these products, like our Megalodon towel, our Pro Flow pressure washer, and the all-new HydroDry ceramic drying aid, be sure to check them out at your local detail garage or on our website at chemicalguys.com. As always, you should know my name by now. I'm Alex. It's a pleasure being here with you guys today. I'm gonna take this with me because I'm gonna use this on my other car. So, see you guys on the next one. Go.
A bird singing.
Good job, Alex.